Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here, and hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here. I think I'm live now, and I'm going to show you my Oculus room. I just set it up. This is one of the things in Oculus Go you can do, and hopefully this will work. I believe it's going to allow me to do that. So we're coming in here, and we're going, as you can see, this is how the room is. So there I am. This is my room. I'm in the music area. I'll hit OK there. Got it. Rooms are meant for your friends. Invite friends to hang. So I could invite friends here, but I'm not going to do that just yet. Now, unfortunately, you could probably see this, but I got the comment thing in my way. But I can I can go to my different areas. I'm in my music area. You can go to my media area, my games table. Let's go to the media area. And I got a nice city-side landscape. As we turn around, I got some photos on the wall. As you can see, there's me and Jennifer and Alistair and Tracy. And of course, Jennifer and I, when we were in London for the Harry Potter experience, we were in Sonoma and we were at the Kunde Winery where we got to go in the caves. And then over here is when we were in London. We were at the British Museum, I believe. Not the Tate. Yeah, the British Museum. So we're in the media room, and of course I can look at TV music or launch an app and play it. Of course, I can't do anything because copyright will probably just stop the video, stop the live stream. So we can go over to the settings, or the sitting room, I guess. We can where we can invite friends, and we can customize the room. Let's hit the customize. As you can see, I can change the landscape of it, the carpet, like for instance, I can do this. I can go from cityscape to countryscape, just like that. Look at that. Now I'm in the country. Now I'm in the city. Now I'm in the country. Now I don't know where I am. Now I'm back in the city. Isn't that cool? So change that. What just happened? Why didn't? Oh, I closed it out. So we can go over to the games area. I got a few games that I can choose from: Reversey, Chess, Trivia, Paris, Lights, and Checkers. So when I invite somebody, I can then have them play a nice, rousing game of chess, which is pretty cool. So, but right now we just got an empty table and, of course, the skyline. Really cool skyline. A nice little fire right there behind me. I'm sitting in a chair, and above me, I've got stars. I could change the time of day, and I can change a lot of different variables. So these are the three rooms. There's no bedroom. There's no kitchen. So this is just an entertainment room, I guess. So can't cook up anything. There's a birdhouse over there. I'm not sure. I'm assuming that as updates happen, we'll get to some cool things, like maybe something coming from there, or something I can pull out of that little drawer thing or on the shelf or whatnot. But right now, this is my room. This is if I want solace, I can come here. If I want to invite some friends, if you want to come on and come to my room, just let me know when you're going to be around, and we'll definitely connect up. So, oh yeah, I also have it set so the day goes pretty fast. So it's turning into nighttime right now. There's some weird stars, triangular stars. And maybe it's turning into day now. So anyway, there's your seat. There's your seat. There's your seat. Come on in and enjoy, and we'll go from there. So anyway, that's it. We'll close that out. Hope you enjoyed my room, and this is part of the Oculus Go package. So thanks a lot for watching. We're gonna go back, and where are we? So thanks a lot for watching, and we will see you next time. Oh yeah, this is my main window. That's pretty cool. I'm on another planet. See you later.